invited tomorrow. So let me brief you about myself. My name is Shefali and I am the project director and your host of Forever Star India. So I just want everyone to make your video visible so that I can see your beautiful faces and when we can start with the auditions. Okay, let me brief you everything about auditions. And firstly, I like to, invite Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, who is the director of FCR, Harry Khosa ma'am, who is the project coordinator, and guest me, Shefali. Okay, so आज आपका ऑडिशन है. आई नो सब नर्वस हैं, एक्साइटेड हैं. मॉर्निंग में यू वर फीलिंग कि आज मेरा ऑडिशन है, कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, क्या होगा. बट आज वो टाइम आ गया है. आई नो वी आर लेट विद 16 मिनट्स, बट कोई नहीं, ऑडिशन हो जाएगा. ओके, ऑडिशन में आपको क्या करना है, वी विल बी कॉलिंग यू नेम वन बाय वन. Okay, suppose one name will be called. आपको अपना introduction देना है and 2 rounds of rap walk करके बतानी है. Okay, introduction should be very short, stating your name, your hobbies and why you wanted to win the crown. क्योंकि ultimately हम crown के लिए ही हैं यहाँ पे. हम सब यहाँ पे forever Miss India and forever Mrs. India 2020 बनने आए हैं. 2021 I guess. Okay, so let's get started with your audition. हाँ, ऑडिशन के बाद विद इन 24 आवर्स आपको एक ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिलेगी. अब ये रिपोर्ट कार्ड क्यों, स्टेटिंग यू कि आपने कैसा परफॉर्मेंस किया है एंड आगे आप कैसा परफॉर्मेंस कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो लेट्स इनवाइट कीर्ति चौधरी मैम to say some partly words to boost you up and do everything so that it make you more enthusiastic. Kirti ma'am, over to you.
Okay, Shefali, I will be taking over. Kirti ma'am is facing some technical glitch, so that might be a problem. So, all right, ladies, welcome to Forever Star India. Thank you so much, Shefali, for putting it up so well. And I welcome you with an open heart and really sorry for the delay so far. I know you have been patiently waiting. So let's get started. This is your time to shine, your time to introduce yourself. And I'm really excited. In fact, the team is really excited to see what you guys have to talk about. I am sure कि आप लोग अपने आप में बहुत ही interesting और unique individuals हैं. And we just want to know more about you guys. And like Shefali already mentioned, the audition report is waiting for all of you, no matter if you clear the audition or not. And it's going to act like as a very huge deal, because it's a certificate that will be valid for a period of lifetime, which means कि आपको Forever Star India का कोई भी audition दोबारा नहीं देना पड़ेगा for the beauty pageants coming, in the further years. So let's get started. And in case you're nervous, please don't be. Like I said, you guys are all interesting individuals and all of you look extremely beautiful, and it's a pleasure talking to all of you. So let's start with Parul, I guess. Hi Parul, how are you?
Hi ma'am, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. How are you? Okay, so you already answered that. I'm so sorry. I'm a little, nervous as well to figure out how you guys have to perform. I just need to cross-check what is your official name on the, registration form.
Pari Patel.
Pari Patel. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Tell me something about yourself. Please go on.
Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Parul Patel. Pari Patel. ऑफिशियल नेम परी पटेल. अभी मैं बड़ौदा गुजरात से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मैं सिंगल मदर हूँ. मैं एक वर्किंग वुमन हूँ और एक चांस मिला है अपने आप को एक प्रूव करने का. सो मैंने यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किया है FCR में. सो थैंक यू मैम, मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है उसके लिए बहुत आपका शुक्रिया. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू पारुल, अपने बारे में इतने अच्छे से बात करने के लिए. अब मुझे ये बताइए, व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज, व्हाट डू यू एंजॉय एज एन इंडिविजुअल?
सबसे पहले मेरी हॉबीज तो है कि म्यूजिक. ऑल टाइम म्यूजिक मेरे पास ही रहता है. मेरी बोलते हैं ना कि मेरी तन्हाई का एक साथी है जो म्यूजिक. बुक्स रीड करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है और कभी कभी मुझे ना किसी को हेल्प करने में, अगर छोटी सी हेल्प हो जाए तो उसमें मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है. ये भी मेरी एक हॉबी में आ जाता है. और मैं एक वेलनेस कोच हूँ, एक्सरसाइज ट्रेनर हूँ और डांस भी मेरा एक हॉबी है. थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, सो यू आर इनटू फिटनेस?
यस मैम.
Okay, interesting. So Parul, from all these streams, आप यहाँ पे कैसे? What brings you here? What is your passion related to Forever Star India and that crown? You know, like Shefali mentioned.
एक्चुअली मैम मुझे ना अपना नाम बनाना है। सबसे पहली बात तो वही है कि मुझे अपना नाम बनाना है कि अच्छे से, मतलब कि क्या है कि पहले से ही मुझे था कि मैं कुछ बनूं। तो ये मुझे लगा कि यहाँ आके मुझे एक चांस मिलेगा अपने अपना नाम करने के लिए। और ये मेरी एक बेटी है मैम, 12 साल की, तो वो भी खुश होगी शायद अपनी मम्मी का नाम ये मतलब इस
जी बिल्कुल
फील्ड में।
बिल्कुल, मैं
यस।
आपकी फीलिंग्स बिल्कुल समझ रही हूँ, and I'm sure she's already very proud for you sitting across a screen and you know talking to a stranger. Thank you so much, Parul, and I would just request you to start with your ramp walk. 2 rounds, please.
ओके मैम, ओके।
इधर रैंप वॉक करके दिखाए। Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are visible.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Parul. Thank you so much. So now that the director has herself joined in, and you know she is here, so I don't think we should delay, you know, listening from her. So welcome on board, Kirti ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Harry. A very good evening to all of you. Hi, Parul, Aprajita, Kritika, Gayatri, Redmi Note 10, whose name I don't know, and hi, Shefali. How are you? All right. So first of all the best to each one of you for appearing for today's audition. You are appearing for Forever Star India's audition for Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. And before you talk about yourself with passion, before you do your ramp walk, let me just tell you that this platform is not just about a beauty pageant. We are a lot more than that, right? So we are creating a huge community of like-minded women like you, where we will be there for each other, we will motivate each other, we'll inspire each other, right? So when you're talking about yourself, just feel free, whatever you have been feeling till now, what you're passionate about, what are your aspirations, right? Because each one of us is unique. We have our own set of aspirations and we are passionate about different things in our lives, right? And secondly, let me just tell you that this platform is very inclusive. We are not going to entertain candidates only on the basis of their physical attributes, say their height, their weight, their color, right? So we are here to break these stereotypes. We want you to understand that we are different from the other pageants that are happening across the country. And we want you to understand that we will respect your skill. We will respect what you really want to achieve in your life. Language is not a problem. If you're comfortable in Hindi, आप हिंदी में भी अपना introduction दे सकते हैं. If you're comfortable in English, you can speak in English as well. Okay, so all the best everyone. Format आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. पहले आप introduction देंगे. Concentrate more on why you are here on this platform and what do you want to achieve in life, what you're passionate about. And then you can do 2 rounds of your ramp walk. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And now I'd like to proceed with Aprajita. Hi, Aprajita. कैसी हैं आप?
Am I visible?
जी हाँ, you are visible.
Hello everyone, I'm fine. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So please proceed with your introduction.
My name is Aprajita Srivastav and I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. My age is 19 and my hobbies are dancing, sleeping, etc., traveling. I like to travel.
so many destinies and etc. Thank you.
Okay, so what brings you here, Aprajita? आप यहाँ पे, why do you want to win the crown? Why do you want to join the platform?
I have so many dreams. I become a model in my future. I tried so many platforms, but thank you for giving me this opportunity to participate, and thank you all of you. And if I won this crown, then I feel myself proud and my family proud, and who will support me in this destiny. So thank you for that.
Thank you so much, Aprajita, for letting me know. And now I request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay, sure. Wait 1 minute. Can I set my camera?
Yeah, sure, you can.
One minute. One minute.
All right, thank you, Prajita. Thank you so much. And I will proceed and get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Kritika till then. Hi, Kritika, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm very good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. And please start with your introduction.
Okay. I am Kritika. I'm from Kolkata. I have just done my graduation on last year. And now I'm trying to modeling because I love that platform. Actually, I feel it is a platform, it is a genre of art that creates not only present your look as how much you're beautiful, but it always creates how you are as a beautiful one. And it gives every girl motives and the society too. Because I get all the challenges from my parents that it is only a dream. They used to tell me all the time. But I think it is something that is also so talent. You need to have the talent and the passion for this work. It is just not the one we just do just for our normal basis, but it has a deep sense on our real world. So I want to present that as a model, and I just want to achieve that.
Makes complete sense, Kritika. Your aspirations are interesting, and I understand that you want to create something, unique with your identity and, create a very, very big impact. So thank you so much. And can you please answer me on the question, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy as an individual? Just a second. Aprajita, could you please mute yourself because आपकी तरफ से थोड़ा disturbance आ रहा है. So,
Sure.
Thank you. Yes, Kritika, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I like very much, I'm fond of very much painting. I do all the time paintings and photo shoots as well. And I love listening to FM. Nowadays, I don't know how many people listen up, but I do like that. And that is my hobby. That is my hobby.
Interesting. Fair enough. So could you please start with your ramp walk?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Thank you so much, Kritika.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let me just proceed to Gayatri. Hi, Gayatri.
हाय मैम।
How are you, Gayatri? कैसी हैं आप?
मैं अच्छी हूँ मैम, मेरा नाम गायत्री है, मैं जयपुर से हूँ मैम। और मेरी हॉबीज हैं घर को डेकोरेट करना, इन्हीं में मेरी हॉबीज है, पूरा दिन निकल जाता है इन्हीं में ही।
Okay.
मैरिड हूँ मैं और एक बेटा है मेरा।
तो आप आपके इस पूरे सफर में आज आप यहाँ पे कैसे? What brings you here? आप क्यों जीतना चाहती हैं मिसेस इंडिया का क्राउन?
मैम ये मेरे को बचपन से ही था शौक, वैसे जैसे बचपन में नहीं होता देखते हैं तो तब से ही था मुझे शौक, बट कभी कर नहीं पाई ये चीजें। अभी आपके थ्रू एक मौका मिला है कुछ करने का, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ ट्राई करना चाहिए, होना नहीं चाहिए, ट्राई जाना नहीं चाहिए आपसे। इसी
बिल्कुल,
वजह
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। तो अगर आप ये क्राउन जीतती हैं तो क्या आप मॉडल बनना चाहेंगी फ्यूचर में?
जी, बहुत सपना रहा है बचपन से मेरा, पर शादी थोड़ा जल्दी हो गया था तो मौका नहीं मिला मुझे कभी कुछ करने का लाइफ में। तो आपके थ्रू कुछ
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
हाँ वही बोल रही हूँ, आपके थ्रू कुछ मिला है करने का, एक मौका, एक उम्मीद जगी है। बहुत लड़कियों को रहता है, कुछ कर नहीं पाती है क्योंकि कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता, कुछ चीज का थोड़ा सा डर जाती है लड़कियां, पीछे हो जाती है, चलो कुछ नहीं है क्या करेंगे, कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है। बट आपको देखकर या आपको फॉलो किया मैंने, चलो ट्राई करना चाहिए एक बार, देखते हैं जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा।
थैंक यू गायत्री, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड आई एम श्योर आप भी एक टाइम पे किसी के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बनेगी, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन रियली सून। सो गायत्री, आपका रैम वॉक देख सकते हैं? कैन वी स्टार्ट? प्लीज गो अहेड।
ओके।
Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you so much. And now let's move to the participant who has been waiting since really long and patiently. Hi, the one with the Redmi Note. क्या आप प्लीज मुझे अपना नाम बता सकती हैं? आप म्यूट पे हैं।
Yes, ma'am. लोचना काजल।
Okay. Hi, लोचना, कैसी हैं आप? How are you?
मैम एकदम फाइन।
ठीक है, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. A very good evening to one and all. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Lochna Dinesh Gazal and I am from Solapur city. I am civil engineering second year student. Recently, I am pursuing diploma in Solapur. Now, I am a self-motivated and disciplined soul. Now, things whenever I got a chance. In my free time, I am enjoying spending my time with friends. Sometimes cooking, listening music, doing drama, and reading, traveling, and playing outdoor games. In education skill, I have prepared for government exams. My parents are very supporting towards my education. And I love to spend my most of the time of the lap of our beautiful nation. My strength are hard worker, least motivated, self-motivated, and dedicated towards my work. And my hobbies are singing and modeling. And also I like fashion design, like design or stitching a dresses, mehendi art also. And my short-term goal in qualified in GATE exam, and my long-term goal is forever Miss India. And my very big dream is Miss India. And now I'm here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lochna. Thank you so much. You have a very, very wide smile. I can see आपकी excitement कहीं रुक ही नहीं रही है. You are consistently smiling. So it just made everyone smile across the screen while you were talking. And that's something, identity of a very positive soul. So आप model बनना चाहती हैं या आप एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं? बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट।
मॉडल मैम।
ठीक है, थैंक यू अपने बारे में बताने के लिए। कैन यू प्लीज स्टार्ट विद योर वॉक?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, sure. Just 1 minute.
या श्योर, यू कैन सेट द फ्री। Thank you, Lochna. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much, ladies, for putting up your best foot forward and gathering the courage to talk about yourself. I'm sure आप लोगों में से काफी लोग हैं जो पहली बार किसी ऑडिशन में बैठे हैं and they have gathered this himmat ki theek hai, I have to sit across a stranger and talk about myself, and I could see that enthusiasm coming across and the team appreciates it from the core. Now, of course, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. This is just the beginning. And to commemorate your first step, your effort today, we will be sending out an audition report, which Shefali and I talked about in the beginning as well. Now, the audition report is just an appreciation token from our end to ensure कि आपके effort का आपको एक output मिले and clarity मिले as to where you stand. Because I'm sure you understand कि किसी भी जर्नी शुरू करने से पहले, कोई भी जर्नी शुरू करने से पहले, you need to know कि आप हैं कहाँ, then only you need understand कि आपके high points क्या हैं, आपके weak points क्या हैं, and similarly on the same lines, it will give you clarity if you have been selected or not, and ensuring you various benefits. Now, of course, coming to the point of what happens after an audition report. After the audition report, once you clear the audition, you become a participant of Forever Star India and the community of Forever Star India, a member of the community. Now, why do I call it a community and not just a beauty pageant? Because Forever Star India is trying to build a community of like-minded women who are really, really unique and, of course, passionate about their talents and want to create a unique identity for themselves. Because I'm sure ab tak aapne realize kar liya hoga that you guys are so different from each other, but the one thing that is common between all of you is your passion apni ek alag pehchan banane ka, apne liye kuch karne ka, and that is why all of you are here. You have presented yourself so beautifully. Now, once you become a participant, a member of our community, there are numerous benefits you are going to enroll yourself into. Some of them, if I have to point out very, very specifically, would be the top Google ranking. Now, what do I mean? Once you get registered and complete your participation process, जैसे ही आप अपना नाम Forever Miss India, गायत्री, पारुल, लोचना, कृतिका and अपराजिता टाइप करेंगे, आपको अपना नाम टॉप पे मिलेगा on Google. That is something huge. It automatically is, takes you one step further to creating a unique identity for yourself. Because that's what happened when we create your profile on our website, on our platform. And each of you will be receiving a unique hard copy certificate, which will be customized according to your profile with your picture. And this is for the first time it is happening in the country that you will be receiving a hard copy, and all the participants will be receiving all these benefits, no matter if you win or not. तो आप जीते ना जीते वो बहुत बात की बात है, but I'm sure you understand कि experience और उस experience से हम क्या सीखते हैं, ये बहुत important होता है. And I can see that all of you are here to learn, to work on yourselves and make yourselves a better version of who you are already. And of course, सबसे बड़ा benefit अगर मैं बात करूं, once you become a participant, you receive a lifetime membership of the platform. which means कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म से जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जनरेट होगी, you know, any kind of business opportunity, any kind of further modeling, acting opportunities that will come up, आपको उसका access directly मिलेगा without any third party involved. आप समझ चुके होंगे कि हमारा क्राइटेरिया कितना इंक्लूसिव है ऑलरेडी, एंड आई एम श्योर आप लोग इतने मैच्योर एक्सपीरियंस इंडिविजुअल्स हैं कि आप समझते हैं कि आज के टाइम पे इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर वुमेन टू मेक सेफ एंड सिक्योर कॉन्टैक्ट्स. जब हम सबसे पहले किसी पैजेंट का एड भी देखते हैं, वी टेंड टू थिंक कहीं ये फेक तो नहीं है, बिकॉज मेरे डिटेल्स जा रहे हैं, आई नीड टू क्रॉस चेक एवरीथिंग, राइट? दैट्स अ पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एवरी वुमन हु इज राइट नाउ फिगरिंग आउट थिंग्स डिजिटली. Our platform is 95% female oriented, and any opportunity, imagine एक बार आप हमारे साथ pageant के लिए जुड़ते हैं, उसके बाद इस प्लेटफॉर्म से कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जनरेट होगी, आपको उसमें शामिल होने का डायरेक्ट मौका मिलेगा. यू कैन बिकम एन एक्टर, यू कैन बिकम अ ट्रेनर नेक्स्ट ईयर, आप ट्रेन कर सकते हैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ऑफ सीजन 2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल परी मेंशन दैट शी इज अ वेलनेस कोच, शी माइट बी ट्रेनिंग नेक्स्ट ईयर पार्टिसिपेंट्स एज अ फिटनेस ट्रेनर. We are just looking for your talent, and we will work on it in the right way to ensure that you get the right kind of opportunity. And now coming to the training part, the most fun part related to your profile, जैसे ही आप अपना participation process complete करेंगे, आप you will be eligible to access groomings and training sessions till the grand finale. सब कुछ वर्चुअल होगा कंसिडरिंग द पैंडेमिक दैट वी आर इन, बिकॉज अभी भी कुछ भी सर्टेन नहीं है, एंड इट्स अनफेयर फॉर अस टू एक्सपेक्ट यू टू ट्रैवल ऑल द वे अराउंड जस्ट फॉर द ट्रेनिंग सेशंस. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई नो यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड कि मुंबई और दिल्ली के एक्सपर्ट्स की एक्सपर्टीज को अवेल करना घर बैठे इज सो मच मोर कंफर्टेबल देन डूइंग इट ऑल द राउंड्स. So that would be available to all the participants. We have more than 150 plus experts from different profiles: image consultants, fitness experts, ramp walk experts, stylists, fashion designers, makeup artists, जो आपको हर aspect में बहुत अच्छे से groom करेंगे. And not only that, there is not just going to be one winner. The finale is going to happen in December, because like our director always mentioned, crown पहनना किसी को भी online अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You would want to wear it offline in those kurti or dresses, up close and personal from the celebrity guests that would be around us. And that will be happening in December, probably in Goa or Jaipur, depending on the situation. And that will be ensuring कि सिर्फ एक winner नहीं होगा. We will be crowning winners from city, state and national levels. The plan is to crown more than 300 participants, and it's going to be a huge exuberant affair with a lot of luxury involved. And of course, the last point that I have to make is to avail all these benefits, the lifetime membership, the Google ranking and much more, जो आप website पे जाके और YouTube पे जाके देख सकते हैं. You have to pay a minimal participation fee of 4,000 plus GST, जिसको पे करने के बाद you get eligible to access all these benefits that I just mentioned. I am sharing the Forever Star India के social media details. So I'm sure you guys are smart women. Research before you plan to invest. See what our platform is up to. हमारा YouTube channel देखें, हमारा Forever Star India का website देखें. Take a screenshot and research really well. Understand what we are trying to create, what kind of sessions are going on, what kind of rounds are going on, and how we are grooming up close and personal to every participant for that matter. So that is it from our end. In case you guys have any questions, please go ahead. And about the audition report, I guess I forgot to mention one thing, that it will be sent to you within 48 hours via WhatsApp or email, and that you all will be receiving no matter if you cleared the audition or not. And it will state agar aapka audition clear hua hai ya nahi. So thank you so much for hearing me out. And in case you guys have any questions, please go ahead. We are all open to taking it. Yes, Pari, tell me.
अभी आपने जो वेबसाइट की ऑन स्क्रीन बताया, वो एक बार आप शेयर करेंगे वापस से?
मैंने चैट में कर दिया है, but I'll share it again. You can find it in the chat box.
Okay.
आप वहां से स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं या अपने फोन से एक पिक्चर खींच सकते हैं. And otherwise, Instagram pe you can find us with FCA Forever. You will find it very easily because these are some unique names that you won't find doubling up. So just FSIA type करेंगे Google पे या Instagram पे आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Anything else, ladies, that you would want to ask? Okay, I can see some really sorted faces. Thank you so much for hearing us out. Me and Shefali are signing off. It was an absolute pleasure meeting all of you. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आप सबसे मिलके, and I'm really looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions to work on yourselves and find and create that unique identity. Yes, Gayatri, बोलिए.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
हाँ जी.
इसके अलावा ऑडिशन और होगा क्या मैम?
नहीं, इसके बाद डायरेक्ट आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आएगी जिसमें आपको बताया जाएगा कि आपका ऑडिशन क्लियर हुआ है या नहीं. एंड अगर आपका ऑडिशन क्लियर होता है, हमारी कस्टमर केयर टीम विल गेट इन टच एंड एक्सप्लेन यू द पूरा प्रोसेस इन डिटेल एज वेल. एंड आपका पार्टिसिपेशन प्रोसेस होगा जिसका मैंने फी आपको ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर दिया है. वो कंप्लीट करके इंस्टेंटली आपकी विद इन अ वीक ट्रेनिंग सेशन शुरू हो जाएंगे.
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू.
Most welcome. All right, thank you so much, and have a lovely evening ahead. Take care, ladies. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.